Even the smallest person can change the course of the future.
In this English lesson, we will focus on grammar. Superlative adjectives are a very important part of English. This is the biggest book on my shelf. She is the strongest girl in the office. Superlative adjectives help us say which thing is the most of something. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to Caribou English. We often add es to short adjectives. For example, big, biggest. Sometimes we use most before long adjectives. Beautiful, most beautiful.
Strongest avenger.
Access denied.
Let's look at some ESD examples. Mount Everest is the tallest mountain in the world. This is the funniest movie I have ever seen. My dog is the friendliest in the park. Canada is one of the safest countries to live in. Today is the hottest day of the year.
Today, I consider myself the luckiest man on the face of the earth.
But how do we know when to use most instead of est? For longer adjectives, we can use most. Most beautiful, most extraordinary, most applicable. Who do you think is the most beautiful woman in the world? That was the most extraordinary concert. Choose whichever video is most applicable. Let's look at some more examples from movies.
The greatest trick the devil ever pulled was convincing the world he didn't exist.
You're gonna need a bigger boat.
Magic mirror on the wall, who is the fairest one of all?
Some adjectives have irregular superlatives. They don't follow rules, like good to best, bad to worst.
Do you go out with friends?
Well, a boy's best friend is his mother.
Here's a challenge for you. Write one paragraph using 3 superlative adjectives. Example: every day I read the latest news stories. Often they show the worst events in the world. Sometimes, however, they show the best.